Today I am reviewing Anker Prime 250W charging station. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Anker Prime 250W charging station isn't the kind of charger you buy because you need one extra USB port. It's designed for people who regularly charge multiple devices at the same time and are tired of having power bricks scattered all over their desk. If your setup includes a laptop, phone, tablet, earbuds, smartwatch, and maybe even another laptop or handheld gaming device, this charger immediately starts making sense. The first thing that stands out is the total power output. With up to 250 watts available across 6 ports, including for USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, there's enough capacity here to replace several individual chargers. That's one of the biggest advantages of GaN charging technology. Instead of plugging multiple adapters into a power strip, you can consolidate everything into one compact desktop charging station. One feature that deserves attention is the 140-watt output available from the primary USB-C port. That's enough power for demanding laptops, including large models like a 16-inch MacBook Pro. According to Anker, it can charge that laptop to around 50% in about 25 minutes, which is impressive for anyone working with power-hungry hardware. It's also useful if you're using Windows laptops from brands like Dell, Lenovo, or HP that support high-wattage USB-C charging. For people working from home, this charger solves a common problem. Instead of constantly swapping cables between devices or searching for an available outlet, everything stays connected in one place. You can charge your laptop while topping up your phone, smartwatch, wireless earbuds, tablet, and another accessory without thinking about which charger belongs to which device. One of the more unique features is the built-in 2.26-inch LCD display. Most charging stations simply provide a small indicator light, but Anker gives you real-time information about charging speeds and power distribution. If you're someone who likes knowing exactly how much power each device is receiving, this display adds genuine functionality instead of being just another decorative screen. The Smart Control dial also helps separate this charger from simpler USB hubs. Rather than automatically distributing power with no user input, you can make adjustments to optimize charging for different devices. For users who enjoy customizing their setup, that's a nice feature to have. It also works alongside the Anker app for additional smart functions, although it's worth noting that you'll need to register through the app to access the full IoT capabilities. Another thing I appreciate is Anker's reputation. Over the years, Anker has built a strong reputation for making dependable charging accessories, and that reputation matters when you're connecting several expensive devices at once. Whether it's a MacBook, Galaxy phone, iPhone, tablet, or handheld gaming console, you want a charger that manages power safely and consistently. The GaN technology also helps keep the charger relatively compact considering how much power it delivers. Traditional chargers capable of this kind of output would normally be much larger and generate more heat. Gallium nitride components allow Anker to pack more charging capability into a smaller desktop footprint, making it easier to fit on a desk without taking up unnecessary space. That said, portability isn't really the point here. While it's certainly smaller than carrying several separate chargers, this unit weighs over 600 grams, roughly the weight of 3 iPhone 14 Pro devices combined. It's clearly designed to stay on your desk rather than travel in your backpack every day. If you're looking for a lightweight travel charger, Anker has other products that fit that role much better. Another limitation worth mentioning is the Wi-Fi compatibility. Smart features rely on a 2.4 GHz network, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi isn't supported. That won't affect everyone, especially since many routers still broadcast both frequencies, but it's something to keep in mind during setup if you plan to use the connected features. Price is another factor buyers should consider. Premium GaN charging stations like this aren't inexpensive. If you only charge a phone and a pair of earbuds, spending this much probably isn't necessary. A smaller 65-watt or 100-watt charger would likely handle your needs for much less money. This product really earns its value when you're charging multiple high-power devices simultaneously. The number of ports also makes this ideal for shared workspaces. If 2 people are working at the same desk, or you have multiple personal and work devices, having 4 USB-C ports available means fewer compromises. Modern electronics increasingly rely on USB-C. So Anker made the right decision by prioritizing those connections while still including two USB-A ports for older accessories. One thing I also like is how this charger helps organize a workspace. Instead of several bulky laptop adapters, charging bricks, and tangled cables spread across your desk, everything routes back to a single power source. It's a small quality-of-life improvement, but it creates a cleaner and more professional-looking setup. Who should buy this charger? I think it's best suited for professionals, content creators, gamers, students with multiple devices, or anyone who spends a lot of time at a desk surrounded by electronics. If your daily routine includes charging a laptop, smartphone, tablet, headphones, smartwatch, and perhaps another USB power device, you'll probably appreciate having one centralized charging station. Who should probably skip it? Casual users with only one or two devices won't see the same value. Likewise, frequent travelers may find the size and weight less practical compared to smaller GaN chargers designed specifically for portability. Looking at the complete package, the Anker Prime 250W charging station feels less like a simple charger and more like a power management hub for a modern desk setup. The combination of high power output, 6 charging ports, real-time LCD monitoring, smart power controls, and GaN efficiency creates something that's clearly designed with demanding users in mind. It isn't the cheapest charger available, and it isn't the one I'd throw into a backpack for everyday travel. But if your goal is replacing multiple charging bricks with one reliable desktop solution capable of handling nearly everything you own, this charger delivers a level of convenience that's difficult to ignore. For users with lots of devices and a permanent workspace, it offers a practical combination of performance, organization, and flexibility that makes the investment much easier to justify.